Hello, Pisopan here. So today I have this interesting lock. This is very similar to an American-made lock called Tubar, but instead this one is made in Spain, and it's called Inceca. Uh, so it has a system of pins, much like pump lock. And I'll be able to get and show you. And pretty smooth, very interesting lock. The system, as I said, is very similar to 2-bar. I had never picked 2-bar before. I would suppose it's a little bit more difficult to pick the 2-bar because of the shape of the driver pins. I'll show you that when I get it. So let's see if I can pick it. Alright, let's see if this setup works. I'm going to use this tensioner. I'm going to place it right in the middle, but in a way that it won't interfere with the picking, but will allow pretty stout tension. Let's search for the binders. we got some slight rotation. Let me see if there's something missing. I think it is one. See if anything else. Okay, I think all right. Yeah. Yeah, this does need a little bit of tension. Yeah. It's very smooth with the key, but just bend a little bit the thing tensioner. Yep, so you can see it's use a thicker one. Okay. Back. Yep. So right, let's get it. Okay, so just so I can show you. I think, yeah. Here are all the true gates lined up with the key on one side and the same on the other side. Yep. And so they will line up with these pieces here. And these will in turn, when they are retracted, allow these sidebars to also retract into the core so that it can rotate. so you can see the pins right here. At the time I call them the driver pins, but it's just the pins, just one set of pins, and they have these serrations here. You could call them almost false gates, but they are very thin. The ones in 2-bar are a little bit thicker, a little bit wider, and these are very easy to get through. So some have false gates before and others have after also. The very long ones I have after the through gates. So there is some risk of oversetting. They are pretty tapered. You have to touch them multiple times. And yeah, it's pretty fun to pick. Not super hard. I would say in the Lockpickers United belt system, about blue belt maybe, blue purple. But yeah, really fun. That's Inceca, based on 2-bar. Oh, I haven't told you about this. This is the key retaining mechanism that's inside here. I won't remove it because last time I removed it I took a long time to place it again. I almost lost the spring, but you can see inside here there's this pin, and if you rotate it, this part, like this, you force those pins into the keyway. They go all the way from here to the end of this plate, and there's a spring here that keeps them pushing outwards, so they will interact with this groove. But once the core rotates, this plate rotates too, and so these pins are pushed inward and interact with this hole here, and they will retain the key in place. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know if it would be very necessary in this case. Could use a system like the Fontaine or something, because they have put this piece here, and once the key is inside you can't push it out because that piece is there anyway, so yeah. Okay, it's still cool. Alright, so now you've seen it. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.